Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to find and add the CCD effect on CapCut. Initially, you're going to want to know that this is a pro effect, so you can't actually export your videos if you're using this effect and you don't have CapCut Pro. So make sure you get it before using this effect. Now, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, scroll down to TV, and then you're going to scroll down and find the CCD effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline, and then we're going to increase the effect all the way down to the end of the clip. Now, we're going to check it out. That's a fine and dandy effect if you ask me. Now, you guys can also go to the Special Effects tab and mess with the filters, the horizontal, the strength, vertical, and the stickers. What you can also do is add some keyframes, and we have a video on that as well. Well, guys, if this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.